Irrespective of the age, if anyone can consume something, that is definitely fruits. Fruits are of different shapes, sizes, colors, and tastes. If one fruit tastes sweet, the other fruit tastes sour. In this video, we're going to learn the English names of a few fruits. Along with that, we also are going to learn the right pronunciation for a lot of fruits, which we have been pronouncing them wrong, and different types of fruits. Do you know what we call these fruits? This one, this one, this one, and how about this one? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, English Matters with Sunil. In this video, we're going to learn a lot of things about fruits, like the different types of fruits we have and their pronunciation, along with their English names as well. First of all, what is meant by a fruit? The sweet and fleshy product of a tree or a plant and also contains seeds and can be eaten as food is nothing but a fruit. Fruits come in a wide range of types. They are berries, citrus fruits, stone fruits, tropical fruits, and many more. We are going to discuss a few things in this video. Why do we call the fruits a healthy diet? Because of their vital components. The vital components what we have in fruits are essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. The first type of fruit is berries. Berries are something which are favorite for all the kids. And the first berry comes into your mind when I use that name is what? Right, that's strawberry. If we take the strawberry, there is an interesting fact about it. Other than that, it also looks so beautiful and kids love to eat this. Okay, so the interesting fact here is if you take any fruit, they contain the seeds inside the fruit. When you cut a fruit into two parts, then you can see the seeds inside. But when you take the strawberry, it has the seeds on its top layer, on the skin of the fruit. The dots which you see on this fruit are the seeds, and we also consume these seeds along with the flesh. Next is the blueberries. Blueberries look so blue in color. They are so dark. And these are tasty too. Let me tell you this point as well. All these fruits are not only consumed raw or ripened, but they're also consumed as dry fruits. Dry fruits also give a lot of benefits to everyone's health. Here comes the next fruit. Here, the spelling of this fruit is R-A-S-P. So most of the people pronounce it wrong, like raspberry. But it's not raspberry. When you take this word, the letter P is silent in it. So how do we read this? We read it as raspberry, raspberry. The spelling is given here, the right pronunciation spelling. Next is the blackberries. Blackberries are very tasty and they kind of have bubbles on them. And it looks black in color. Cranberries, you see them, they look so delicious. They kind of look like cherries, but these are again very good for health when you consume them as a dry fruit. Here comes mulberries. These look similar to the blackberries, but blackberries, they are kind of round and the mulberries look like this. Okay, now let's see the last fruit in berries. So this is a gooseberry, which we all love to eat every time. But not only this is called a gooseberry, there is another fruit which is also called a gooseberry. Here it is. Here come the citrus fruits. We all know the citrus fruits very well. They taste sour. But the problem here with the citrus fruits is that there are many in citrus fruits, but we call everything as orange. Let's see the differences now. Here comes the first one, which is the orange. So, orange looks orange in color, we know it very well. And there's another fruit which people misunderstand that with an orange. So here comes the next one, which is tangerine. So this is pure orange in color And right pronunciation for this word, most of the people don't pronounce it right, and they also don't know it properly. So here comes the spelling of the pronunciation. Follow that well. So it is read as tangerine, tangerine. Okay, let's see another one. So here it is. This is kind of sweet in taste, and this is called what? If you know this, pause the video and then comment in the comment section, and then check it out whether it is right or wrong. Okay, that's right. It is sweet lime. It is not lemon, it is not orange, but it is sweet lime. So we've learned 3 different citrus fruits here. They are orange, tangerine, and sweet lime. Let's go ahead with another one. So here it is pomelo. It is pomelo. This kind of looks like a sweet lime, but this is very big in size. Sweet lime is not so big, it's kind of a ball, but here it is bigger than a sweet lime, and it is also very good for everyone's health. Okay, here comes another very important fruit for all the Indians. That is lemon. This can also be called a lime, but it has got the difference in its size and its shape. So we Indians call these as lemons. And they are very rich in C vitamin. The next type of fruits here is stone fruits. Stone fruits don't mean that they are stones or they are grown on stones, but these are called stone fruits. Here comes the first stone fruit, that is peach. When you have more than one peach, it is called peaches. Peach looks very beautiful because of its color. Next is the plum. Plum also looks similar to a peach, but plum looks very bright in color and very beautiful. Here comes the favorite fruit for all the kids because this looks so bright in its color and very tasty as well. So that is nothing but the cherries. Cherries are used as the toppings on the cakes and also used in different ways. Now, let's talk about the next fruit, which is pear. A lot of people read it as pear, 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 but it's not pear, it is pear. Learn the right pronunciation of this by looking at the pronunciation spelling. Next is apricots. So apricots are not only taken as fresh fruits, but they're also taken as a dry fruit. It is very tasty when you consume it. Here comes another fruit. Again, a lot of people don't pronounce it right. So the right pronunciation for this word and this fruit is nectarine. Most of the people pronounce it nectarine. It's not nectarine, it is nectarine. Nectarine. Here is the pronunciation spelling. Follow it. Now we'll talk about lychees. Lychees are again kind of imported fruits and they are easily available everywhere in the supermarkets. So lychees are used in different ways like juices and in many other ways. We'll talk about avocados now. Avocados are not vegetables, though we use them in the salads. Avocados are fruits. They are used in different ways like milkshakes, fruit juices, and in many different ways. Let's talk about the next type of fruits, which is tropical fruits. Tropical fruits are very commonly available for all of us, and they are our favorite fruits. Here comes the first one, which is pineapple. This is grown in India very well, and we get it everywhere we want and anytime. Here comes one of my favorite fruits, that is mango. This is available in a specific season, that is summer, and people eagerly wait for this season to have mangoes. And next one is bananas. People usually pronounce it as banana, banana, but it's not banana, it's banana, banana. These are again tasty and easily found anywhere. Do you know what this fruit is and what do we call it in English? We may know this in our regional language, but what do we call this in English? Okay, let me tell you. If you know it, you can comment in the comment section, or else you can learn it right now. It is camashale. Camashale. The pronunciation is a little different from the spelling. Follow the pronunciation spelling to know the right pronunciation and pronounce it correctly. It is camashale. Camashale. Now, again, another favorite fruit for a lot of people, that is papaya. We know very well about it. I don't have to explain more. Next one is, it's not Goa. A lot of people read it as Goa. But Goa is one of the places we have in India that's not a fruit to eat. But what do we read this fruit? Just follow the spelling as it is. G-U-A-V-A. Goa, wa. G-U-A, Goa. And then V-A, va. Guava. Okay? Don't read it as Goa, but it is guava. Here comes a fruit which is commonly eaten by all of us. It is called sapodilla. It is sapodilla. And there's another fruit which looks like sapodilla, but when you cut it, it looks green in color. That is kiwi. You're right. So kiwi and sapodilla look almost similar from outside. But the taste is totally different and the color inside is also different. Here comes the passion fruit. It is a sour fruit. When you cut passion fruit, it has got a lot of seeds in it. It tastes sour. Dragon fruit these days is very commonly found fruit in India. It is also found in India these days. It is very good for your heart. So everyone eat dragon fruit. Now, coconut. Most of the people consider coconut as a vegetable, but it's a fruit. It's not a vegetable. Very tasty, yet healthy one. Okay, now let's talk about mangosteen. So mangosteen is again a fruit which is available anywhere in the supermarket. It is very tasty. When you cut it, you can see it white in color. Do you know what this fruit is? If you know, you can comment me in the comment section. So it is ice apple. People widely call it ice apple. Ice apple these days is used as milkshakes and then fruit juice as well. It is widely found in summer season. Here comes another fruit which is jackfruit. Jackfruit is very huge in size and it is also very, very tasty. People love to have jackfruit. Alright everyone, in this video we have learned a lot of things like the right pronunciation for a lot of fruits and then also how do we call them in English along with the different types of fruits as well. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. So if you did, you can go ahead and like it, share it with all your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is given in the description box. Go ahead and follow me. Don't skip any of these videos to learn English in a better way. Here you all have a quiz. You can see this picture. So what do we call this fruit? When you cut this fruit, it smells pungent. Its odor is very bad, but it is very tasty and good for health. I want you all to comment me in the comment section so that I'll get to know whether you're right or wrong. You can also watch this content in Telugu. So go to my Telugu channel. The link is given in the description box. That's all for today. I'll catch you up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.